Hey guys, how's it going, man? It's your boy Mon Skelton. I've been off the grid for quite some time now, maybe a week or so. I wanted to make this video to let you guys know I haven't gone anywhere, man. I just ran into a couple of issues last week, man. A family emergency, so I had to be off the grid for about 3-4 days, and on top of that, I had a business trip to go to. So today's video, man, I will be showing you guys how to create a LLC, man. So stay tuned to that. I will show you how to create a LLC, walk you through step by step on what information to put down and on how to do this thing. So a lot of people, man, they always ask me how you create an LLC, how do you start a business, how do you legalize your business. That's one of the ways you do so. So I decided to make a video today to show you how to create an LLC. An LLC. So stay tuned, man. I will be showing you that in the videos next. Welcome to another session of Close on Mondays. But please forgive me for missing last week. I wasn't planning on missing last week. That was not in my intentions. But let's move forward. We got something new for you guys. Today I will be showing you guys how to create a LLC. So the first thing we're going to do is show you how to get to that portal or website. I'm from Georgia, so we're going to use the Georgia as an example. And as you see on my screen, you don't want to go to LegalZoom. LegalZoom, they're going to charge you arm and a leg, and they're going to do all the work for you, if not half the work for you, for something that you could have done within 10, 15 minutes. So this is pretty easy. The first thing you're going to do is go to Georgia Corps. We're going to do online services. Create an account if you don't have an account. I think I already have one in the system, so let me check it out. Yeah, I do. I have one in the system, so let me see if it works. That's something that I done about 2, 3 years ago. But anyways, so as you see on my screen, man, you got multiple options right here. So I think it's the fifth one. You can't see it. It's the fifth one. So yeah, it's the fifth one. I'm sorry that you couldn't see it. I might redo that or screenshot what it's supposed to look like. But anyway, it's a tab. So all it say, register a business or create a new business, something like that. So right here, I'm going to click create a new domestic business. You're always going to, so I always select limited liability business. So I don't do nothing else besides that. In the future, I might decide to go with a nonprofit. Not quite in my agenda right now. So that's something that I might do down the road. But anyways, back to the subject. The name of this business, I'm going to use my name. You can come up with any business name. It don't have to be a specific niche name. You always can have a DBA. So your DBA should be able to tell what's the name of the business or the purpose of the business. So this part is just forming your company. It's not as important. Like that name can be literally anything. I'm not kidding. So anyways, I always tell my friends and family, don't name your business after the specific niche unless you plan on sticking with only that. I always put LLC, man. I be forgetting that part. But we're gonna scroll down. They tell you to get a second choice, third choice. I'm not gonna do that because I'm using my name, so no one should be having a business in my name, not to my knowledge. But we're gonna move forward, and the purpose of this is gonna be any legal purpose. That'll cover all bases. Maybe you can change it in the future if you want to, if it's important. Right now, it's not. So let's come up with this address. So come up with something that doesn't exist. Keep Street. Use my hometown address. Keep it simple, man. That's the main thing is to keep it simple when it comes to this type of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna move forward. We're gonna hit the continue button. Continue. We're gonna ask you for an email address. Um, I'm gonna use something that I've used in the past. think I, 1 second. Honestly, when I'm doing something like this, I already have my business address, email address created. You know what I'm saying? So that'll keep me from having stuff mixed up with my personal email address. I don't like mixing personal business with, you know, with business. So I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna try to get this thing done in less than 10 minutes. Bear with me. Let me type all this stuff in. This is basic information. It's nothing special about it. At least not yet. When it comes to individual organizer, that's when you put your information at. All right, trying to keep everything the same. This stuff is very simple, man. A lot of guys been asking me on how to do this and how to do that. Last time I spoke with a person, I actually ended up doing everything for them. I didn't like that because I was using my time. I don't mind using my time, but as like everybody else, I like getting paid for my time. So we're gonna not have that problem again. Next time I'm just telling them to watch the thing video that show them everything they need. So we got that. Boom. I got my stuff up there. Ba, 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 ba. So we're going moving forward. With the chat box, I'm gonna take you all the way through until it's time to pay because I'm not paying for it. It's just a test trial, showing you how to do things. You feel me? So everything looks pretty clear. So you only need one organizer. I use myself because I'm in Georgia. When it comes to, if I'm not mistaken, created registered agent. When it comes to you doing stuff out of state, I think you had to have a registered agent. If I'm not mistaken, if you do need one, I'll show you how to do that too. So that shouldn't be an issue. I'm finna move to the next one, so I'm gonna hit continue. Please create. Yep, you're gonna need one. Please confirm. That's crazy. So you do need one, so you can create a registered agent. Like I said, I'm from here, so I'm gonna put my stuff in there because I am my own registered agent. I don't even know if this email address is accurate, but it don't matter because I'm not gonna pursue this purchase. Yeah, I don't mind helping you guys out when it comes to stuff like this, man. This is really, really easy stuff for me. Uh, I don't mind helping out as far as showing you now versus doing it for you because I don't want to be, because some people don't know what kind of name they want. They don't know what kind of business they want. They don't know. Some people want to be very specific to what the business name they want. So I'm not trying to be hogged up doing all that stuff. I don't mind it. I just want to get paid for my time, just like everybody else. And I don't see nothing wrong with that. If I'm not mistaken, I think all of this is right. Yeah, all of this should be right. So I'm gonna create this registered agent. That's myself. Shouldn't have no problem. Keep it going. So we should be good. Now I'm gonna hit the continue button now. Please confirm the signature. Let me see what I'm doing wrong. I think everything right. I'm trying to see. That's why I'm doing this on my iPad. I want to make sure everybody know what's going on when it's going on. So I'm supposed to hit that checkbox. That's me, man. Careless mistake trying to move real fast. That's one thing about this, man. You don't want to move extremely fast. I'm only moving fast because I've done it before and I'm just trying to rush through the video, but also give you guys enough time to watch this video because Like I said, man, a person attention span is only like 3 minutes, man. So I be trying to get stuff done at least within 10 minutes. So everything should be good. I think it's loading up. Okay, so I made it very, very simple. Didn't have no second name or none of that. So we done everything we supposed to do. Scrolling down. I got everything checked off. And like I said, this is a dummy. This a dummy account. So don't pay this no attention. And please don't use this stuff. This is valuable information as far as my name. So, but that's on you, man. You want to make a business out of my name? Go for what you know. I really don't care, man. I'll probably try to get it appealed if you try me like that. But anyway, all you gotta do is just submit, and hopefully they don't charge my card. Hit the submit, boom, 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 click pay, and you're done. It's only $100 to get your business started. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow me on Instagram. Look me up on Facebook. You want to follow me on there? That's cool too. But first off, just subscribe to this channel. Keep watching my content. I'm going to keep coming every Monday. Close on Mondays. I'll holler at you guys.